Alright, so we're taking the motor out. I'm gonna start with the throttle cable right here. It's this screw that's right there. Alright, so I got the throttle cable out from there. The only thing is though, the only way to get it through is to pop off the, you just gotta pull through, and that's the only way to get this to come through out of there. Alright, next we're gonna take out the ground bolt right here. That's a 5/16 or a 8mm. Alright, so we got it out. Let's put that bolt back on. Next we can disconnect this. You just pull from both ends and it'll come out like that. So now we got the ground, wire, and our throttle cable out. Now we just need to take out those bolts here for the motor, and that's it. Alright, so this bolt right here we're gonna work on. It also has like the adjustment for the motor. If you want to go back and forth or move it a little forward or back, whichever, but this right here, this is a 10, so we're gonna use that, and then we're just gonna have the wrench holding that one while we loosen that up. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hold that one, and then I'll be twisting from here and the bolt underneath. Alright, so this was the bolt that was here. Took that out, and then this was the adjuster that was underneath. I just took my wrench and unscrewed that bolt and just pulled it right out. So now we'll be going to this one. Alright, we got that one out. Now, that one and that one. Alright, so we got our 4 bolts in the motor off. Got our ground and red wire, black and red. We got our throttle. Now that's it. Motor is loose. We just gotta get our chain off, and that's it. So I kind of just moved the motor. I started to lean the motor this way a bit, and it kind of knocked it off. So we can just pull this. There you go. Alright, got the motor out. There she is. There's that 105cc. Oh boy. Oh boy. So super easy to take the motor out of an Oryxearth mini bike. Really just need 8mm and a 10mm ratchet, a small screwdriver, a wrench, adjustable wrench. That's it. So stay tuned. It's your boy, Mini Bike Noob, aka Jill Drummer. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know the vibes. Mini Bike Mob.